has finally arrived! Look at the wagon! It's glowing!
I wonder what Trixie has this time. Tonight, you'll witness magic your hearts have never dreamed of.
I want to learn that magic, not just watch it.
Curiosity is powerful, but dangerous if rushed. Nimbus, keep the magic alive.
Why isn't it working? I'm trying.
Because true magic comes from stillness, not struggle.
The magic is out of balance. Someone must guide it back.
I can feel it. It's listening.
You didn't just learn magic, you became it!
Some magic visits once, but its spark stays forever.